guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean this very dirty dining chair. As you can see right here, there are a lot of marks and stains on this chair, and today I'm gonna show you one very simple trick on how to clean this without much effort. All that we need for this procedure is 1 liter of warm water and one normal dishwasher tablet. We will put that in there and let that dissolve itself in this warm water. If you are in a hurry, you can take a fork and dissolve it a little bit faster. Now we will take just one normal cloth. I actually found an old one. It has a hole in it, but that is not important. Put the cloth in there and leave it for around 30 seconds. Take it out and make sure you squeeze it pretty good. Put it on your counter like this. Take a lid from the pan, put it in the middle of the rag and fold the rag like this. Make sure you have these edges really tight. Take one rubber and put it here on this lid top. Nice. We have one pretty good, pretty tight cleaning tool. Now let's take this chair and let's give it a good rub right here where we have this stain. As you can see, easily but surely this stain is going off from this chair. We are removing it. Once your rag is all dried out, make sure to dip it in this cleaning mixture one more time. Now this depends on your chair state, but perhaps you have to do this a couple of times, 5-10 minutes maybe. It depends on how dirty your chair is. Alright, after a couple of minutes of hard work, as you can see, the stain that was right here now is gone. We had one stain here, that is also gone. As you could see, this method works pretty nicely. All that you need is a little bit of hot water, one dishwasher tablet and lid and one old rag. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit the like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.